Hello everyone, welcome to another video. The Retired Wado here. Alright, today we're on an adventure in Southern Chiapas, from San Cristobal de las Casas to the Cascada El Chiflón Velo de Novia, or the Chiflón Waterfalls. This trip will take us approximately 3 hours from San Cristobal. So, you never heard of El Chiflón? Well, me either, but once you see today's video, you'll want to add it to your bucket list, and you should. As you're driving and are getting close, you will see it in the distance, getting bigger and bigger, and then you will not believe it. Here's just a teaser of what is coming. We're back.
Oh,
Back at the beginning. What'd you think?
definitely was worth it.
Worth it? Yeah.
Yeah. Recomendado 100%. 5 horas para llegar aquí.
It's very amazing.
Sí.
Just check this out. How can you not like this? They said an hour to the top, roughly 45 minutes. We did it in 20
minutes, yes.
We really didn't stop, maybe once or twice to catch our breath. But it was quite easy and refreshing at the top when you're all sweaty. The mist coming off the waterfall cools you off nice. All in all, highly recommend. It's worth the trip. 5 hours driving to get here from Tuxtla. It's a little long, but well worth it. We have a couple more stops to make yet.
The view was so good.
Yeah, it was. That's something that you probably won't see again anytime soon.
I'm surprised about that.
Yeah. Here's the last of it coming down to the bottom. Still beautiful. All this little rock. You can get in there. It's not that cold, especially when you're all hot from the climb. We felt it. Feels quite nice. And they have a zip line.
Cabañas.
And cabañas if you want to stay. Yeah. And a tree house. For all the kids. Lots of cabins here to stay in. Snack shop right here. So peaceful. And there's a pathway on the other side, so you can go up to the other side of the falls on the platform there, but you're not really straight in front at the top. You're kind of on the side, so I think we picked the better side to go up, because we got to go up the last set of stairs to the last lookout point right in front of the falls. This is the last little bit of the trail. Little.
The best part is that you can bring your food.
And cook it right here.
Yeah.
They got a little barbecue back there, and across the way they got little spots to have your lunch.
I don't want to cook, but and we have only 2 hours, so it's
That's right.
almost impossible. But if you have more time,
That's right. Hey everyone, thank you again for joining us on this incredible adventure to El Chiflón Waterfalls. This is one I highly recommend. Do not take a tour though, they only give you 2 hours at the falls. Because it is a tour, you'll have other destinations to see, so there's a hint for the next video. Remember, if you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to know when the next adventure drops. See you in the next one.